So with whom I need to talk with. Sorry. Sign, hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And nice to meet you, and thank you for having us here. Can you please introduce your company?
Hello, I'm San from Hangzhou Jingjiu Technology 有限公司, and our company is from Zhejiang province. We are a company specialized in magnetic toys industry over 10 years, and we have rich OEM and ODM experience. Like we have ability to solve many customers problem like a new product or new mode. Thank you.
So, what about what are your main markets?
Main markets European or Australian, like United States. Yes.
Okay, so let's go and take a look at your best product.
Sure.
Okay, let's go inside.
These four items are our hot sellers recently. Like these are different theme package. You can see blue one and pink one, green one. Yes, this is castle package, and this is a dog and a sheep in this package, like a farm theme. Yes. Different theme, 4 themes.
And they are these ones?
Yes, these are real products.
Okay. With the magnets?
Yes. The materials is ABS plastic. Yes. And like this is a dog.
And what is the MOQ for this one, for the product?
MOQ around 48 steps.
Okay.
Yes.
What about the new product?
The marble round toy. And this is our new package, plastic box, like this. And our new, there is a handle. We can handle like this.
And the product is this one?
This is a real product. And this is our updated color series. Like we call it jelly colors.
Can we see how it works with the balls?
Yes. Just like this, and our small kids can build this mode, like whatever they interested in the build, and just we can add the.
So you can put in different way. There is not just one way. You can put in different ways. Okay, so what if the customer would like to contact you? In which way they can contact you?
Our Instagram and our WeChat.
So they have Instagram, WeChat, a phone number, and also the email address. So there are different ways you can contact them.
Yes.
Thank you, Simon, for having us today.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.